What's going on, people of the internet? It's your boy, Post It Welcome Tub. Just, I don't know, it's not a reaction, it's not a stream, it's something different. I decided to put something different on the channel today. And that is, you probably just saw by the title I put, is my girlfriend does my makeup. No, you know, there's multiple tags of people doing this. There's also the other reverse boyfriend does my makeup, which I will do. I'm gonna do it, just not yet. All right, let me learn, and then I'll do it. All right, well, I'm just gonna bring in my girlfriend. We're just gonna get this started because we're on a bit of a time crunch right now. She's got to go somewhere in a couple of hours, so we're just gonna get started. And yeah, let's see how she says she claims she's good. I don't even know if she could turn this face into something beautiful. Then I think that's a win-win right there. All right, guys, this is my beautiful girl, Maritza. I put her link in the description. I don't know, whatever you want. She doesn't have a channel, but I'll put like her Instagram or something. Twitter. I don't know, but she's gonna do it. She's probably not gonna be talking as much. She's camera shy. She's a little camera shy, but we're just gonna let her do her thing, and see what she can do with this face, this fugly face. I'm gonna turn off my camera view so I can't see what she's doing. So this is all. I can't see it no more. I can't see the camera, so I can't see what she's doing to my face. I can look in the mirror behind me, but I'm not gonna do that. So we're just gonna let her get started. So let's, destroy my face. Do it. Okay. Tell them what you're putting on my face first. Spray. Wait. Spray. What are you gonna? For what? Yes. But that makes you whatever. Oh, get nervous if you do it. What does it smell?
It's cucumber.
Get in my mouth.
You're not supposed to open your mouth.
Okay, what does that do? I don't even know what that does.
It's just like to prime your face. And then we're gonna go in with foundation.
Oh, God.
Hopefully we're the same color.
I feel like it's dripping down. I might have to like angle it a little bit so the camera can see me do it. Do I have to close my eyes?
If you want.
Is it gonna hurt?
No.
Get all that acne out of here, girl. Get that out of here.
You don't have acne.
Kinda do.
Now we're gonna go in with concealer, which he calls the tribal print.
Yeah, tribal print, baby. We about to be Avatar. Make me Avatar, baby.
This is what you see on Instagram with all the girls who do their
a cool little print.
Highlight and contour.
Hey, look at you, You got that action going. Don't do anything yet. I want to show my tribal print. Fresh. Huh?
Alright.
Yeah, look at my tribal print. I always see her do this and I always think of Avatar when I see this. So yeah, I don't know what's it called? Concealer? Concealer.
Talking about
my pale
little. And now we're gonna go in with some setting powder, and we're gonna bake thy face.
Bake thy face?
Yeah.
What's that? We're gonna bake my face? Yeah. It's baking time.
while he's cooking, we can go ahead mount him up.
Sorry, I feel very clean. Like, I don't know. Like, I feel like there's clay on my face. Like, I can't move.
Look like this. Good fish. Do it like hard.
I'm so bad right now. Do I look
No.
pretty? That doesn't know.
Don't smile.
Smiling's my favorite. I'm dry.
Maybe I should have put more. Don't eat it. What are you doing?
My lips are dry.
Crusty.
Crusty ass lips right now. Especially when you're sick. I'm kind of sick. So.
He's been sick for like 5 months.
Ew.
Honestly. I'm gonna go in with that spray again. Hydrate.
I'm all kinds of wet now.
Well, you said you're. I ate it.
How did you get? Okay, I'm cool now. I'm not hot.
Now we're gonna go in. Brow powder.
Brow powder? I have brows.
Yeah, but
What are your thoughts right now on how I look? Let's get a close action so you guys can see what I got so far. I can't see it. Alright.
your eyebrows are just so hard because they're so thick.
I got them thick cab pairs.
I've spent. I don't even spend 10 minutes on my eyebrows. I literally spent like 5 for both.
Yeah, I'm both. Yeah. Eyebrows are done?
Yeah.
Eyebrows done.
And then we're gonna go in with brow gel. Keep those babies in.
Is it gonna burn?
Burning?
A little bit.
No, it's not. It's...
What happened to the Morphe brushes I gave you? You didn't bring the Morphe brushes I got you? So how y'all doing? How's life going? Should I stream like this tonight, guys? Should I keep this all on my face and stream tonight? I'm down with it. Like, to play some Fortnite, get some gameplay in, and stream with this face.
Oh.
But no, I'm seriously debating right now. Tonight is to stream Fortnite while eating the double spicy ramen noodles a day with no water, trying to play a game with some super spice in my face. I'm thinking about it, doing it on stream tonight, and then making highlights and putting it on the other posted gaming channel. So y'all better be there or be square.
Okay, so
Plug. Huh?
close your eyes.
You're in my eye right now. That thing's like
So
super cold. It
dramatic.
feels good.
Yeah, cause it's wet.
Oh. I'm dabbing on the haters.
You're here all sick. So I don't have an eyeshadow brush. We're not gonna do eyeshadow.
Oh, show what I did to your thing. Show them what I did to your thing. Every girl is gonna hate me, but I didn't mean to do this.
Do this. What a travesty! Like,
When she came in, she goes, "Look what you did!" And I'm like, "What did I do?" And she saw that it was like shattered. I was like, "Oh."
so I literally have to like do that.
Sorry, girls, if I freaking pissed you off right now. Deeply sorry.
Now we're gonna go to my favorite part,
Do I gotta do the fishy thing? Oh, okay.
which is highlight. That's enough for the highlight. Now,
Now the girls do it on the ring light selfies. They like make sure that highlight be popping. Is it popping? I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Dab it. Dab a little ranch.
okay, how's the scary part?
Oh no. Oh no! Not my eyelashes.
Okay.
Fuck. Sorry, I didn't mean to cuss, but I hate this tool.
So, okay, just look straight at me. Don't like.
Dude, there was a girl at Ulta. We went to Ulta yesterday. I want to talk about this real quick. There was a girl at Ulta. She worked there. She had like all kinds of makeup on her face. But everywhere she looked, she had the biggest eyes open. Like she's like that. Like she would like, you guys need help? I'm like, no. She okay, I'll see you later. She went that way with the biggest eyes. I was like, damn, she on something. But alright, let's do this. I have to close my eyes?
You like. Okay, now we're gonna go in with.
As she was plucking my eyebrows earlier, she freaking took a chunk out of my skin. I was like, damn! She like tried to pull me with her. It was damn. Alright, oh, Shire, no. You're not doing the bottom ones, are you?
No. Just look straight down. didn't tell his mom.
So she's gonna see it, and I'm gonna record a reaction. Y'all get to see her reaction.
Oh yeah, you should do that.
I am. I'm gonna get everybody's reaction at the house.
We just did this just because I had my makeup with me.
At my house. Got her makeup. She goes, "Oh my god, let's do your makeup." I was like, "Fine." I know she doesn't talk like that, but that's the epitome of my voice. I talk like a girl.
Okay. So I don't have blush or anything. I don't really wear that stuff.
Yeah, I'm not much of a blush kind of guy. I feel like.
So let's go ahead and put bronzer on.
My eyebrows feel so weird.
Do they feel stiff?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the brow gel makes it stay in place. Oh my god, you look so weird. Vampy lip color too.
Vampy. Very vampire-like. Right? That's what you mean by vampy, right? Vampire?
I guess.
Yeah, pucker or what? Get rid of these.
Or go like that. Go like this too. No, not on your shirt. I have makeup all over your shirt. I have makeup on my shirt.
Yeah.
But don't do it over. Okay. As you can see, it doesn't really have lips.
I don't have lips. Thank you.
And then we're gonna go out and finish with some setting spray. Favorite part. Don't do that to your. They're gonna mess up my creation. Yes. He already knows. He just watches me do this. Okay. And now just
she does it like this. She whips the hair.
No, I do not.
Like
You're
that.
so exaggerating.
Is it done? Job done. No?
No, we're gonna put. This is a tip to make your highlight pop even more.
Put more?
When your face is like almost dry. Put your setting spray on. To pop a little bit of. Up a little.
Are you done now?
And I think you're done.
Alright guys, you guys are gonna see my reaction for the first time. I'm hella nervous, dude.
We have a mirror right here.
Oh, okay.
Don't look at yourself.
Okay.
Okay. He's gonna look at himself in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, what the heck? No way, I look old. I've got wrinkles on my face. I look old.
Let me see.
What the hell?
Look straight.
Them lips. What's wrong with the lips? What is this? What the hell? Oh, you can see my acne on my forehead. Oh my god, no way. I'm actually baffled. The heck?
Wow. You look like an old lady.
Yeah. Wow. Alright guys, that's gonna have to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Something different. I decided to do something to get it up there, just some content for you guys because I've been live streaming. I'm deeply sorry. So I'm gonna get that done. I'm edit probably tonight. Get it uploaded probably either early tomorrow or late tonight. I'm not sure yet. But I want to thank my girlfriend for doing this for me. Jesus Christ, I look fabulous. Beautiful. I mean, look at all this action she got going. Look at this action. But alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit the like and subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. I'll see you guys in the later live stream with the spicy ramen, so stay tuned. Please subscribe if you want to see that live stream. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!